In this video, I will give you a short introduction on how to navigate around Snowflake.live, the online version of the Lesson Activities app in NUITEQ Snowflake. When you first visit Snowflake.live, you land on the community page, which gives you a preview to the vast educational content that you can access and use in your classroom. You can search for content and use the filters to narrow down the results. In the upper right corner, you will see a sign in icon. In the pop-up window, please use your credentials to sign in. Please note that you can also sign in by using your Google Sign-In, ClassLink, Clever, or Microsoft Details. If you don't already have an account, click on the Try for Free icon and follow the instructions. Once you have signed in, you will be able to see any lesson activities that you may have created or played as thumbnails. You can use the search field and the filters if you wish to narrow down your results. There are 4 different categories in the top menu. Community will let you browse through content that other teachers have created. Clicking on Create will roll out a menu that contains Lesson Activity, which will take you to the Lesson Activity page, where you can start building your own lesson activities. And Poll, which will take you to the page where you can create a poll. Under the menu My Lesson Activities, you can find any lesson activities, lists, or polls you have created, your shared lesson activities, your liked lesson activities, and the groups you belong to. Lastly, under Class, you can select Manage the students in your classroom or review the progress students have made on any lesson activities you have sent to them. To the top right of the screen, you can see a bell icon. Clicking on it will show you any notifications you may have received. Pressing the profile icon next to it will bring up a menu where you can edit your profile, send feedback to NUITEQ, change the language, and sign out. You can also find the Color Overlay and Spotlight button on the top right of the screen. The Color Overlay applies a filter to the screen that makes it easier for students with dyslexia to read text, while the Spotlight feature allows teachers to only highlight one part of the screen.